In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook groups for mass emailing and event scheduling. Microsoft Outlook groups is a powerful feature that helps you communicate and collaborate with multiple people at once. Instead of sending individual emails or managing separate calendars, Groups allows you to organize contacts into a single space where you can send messages and schedule events more efficiently. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer or through your web browser and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once inside, navigate to the section where groups are located. This is usually found in the left-hand panel of the Outlook interface. If you do not already have a group, you can create one by selecting the option to add a new group. You will be prompted to enter a group name and description, which helps identify its purpose. After that, you can add members by selecting contacts from your address book. Once your group is created, it becomes a central hub for communication and scheduling. For mass emailing, open your group and start a new message within that group. When you send the email, it will automatically be delivered to all members included in the group. This saves time and ensures that everyone receives the same information at once. You can use this feature for announcements, updates, or team communication. When composing your message, you can format the email, attach files, and include important details just like a regular email. The difference is that you no longer need to manually add each recipient, as the group handles it for you. For event scheduling, go to the group's calendar. This shared calendar allows all members to view and participate in scheduled events. Create a new event by selecting the appropriate option and enter the event details such as the title, date, time, and location. Once the event is created, it will automatically be shared with all group members. They will receive notifications and can respond to the invitation. This makes it easy to organize meetings, deadlines, or group activities without sending separate invites. You can also update or edit events if there are any changes, and all members will be notified accordingly. This keeps everyone informed and ensures that schedules stay aligned. As a helpful tip, always keep your group organized by adding only relevant members and using clear titles for emails and events. This helps avoid confusion and keeps communication effective. And that's it. You now know how to use Microsoft Outlook groups for mass emailing and event scheduling. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.